Hello everybody, FJC here, and I am back with some more Airsoft gameplay in case you couldn't tell from all the people standing around holding Airsoft guns. So, thank you guys for tuning in to another episode of my Airsoft Montage series. Hope you guys like it. If you do, let me know. I'll keep doing these. Even if you guys don't like it, I'm probably going to keep doing these anyways, so it doesn't really matter. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
I'm moving up. Keep me covered.
Okay, I got you.
What the f is this?
I'm hitting you!
Hey, do you know where they're at? In this building? He's on the corner of that building. Second, watch out.
Where is he?
Hey, what color are you? You red? Is that imposing silence a yes? Yeah, just shoot him.
Where is he?
He's in this close doorway right here.
Oh.
On the right.
Right over here?
Yeah.
Wait, this one right here or that one?
On the right, the
Yeah.
closest doorway. And are there any around this corner up close?
Hey,
No.
don't rush it! Don't rush it!
Keep me covered, I'm gonna get him. Bang bang! Oh, there's nobody in here.
Is that the cyber gun?
You got me covered? Yeah, it is.
Dang.
You hit?
I'm on you.
I already got him.
Watch my right, I'm going in. Yeah. They took that quarter?
That building in the corner.
Okay, I'm coming this way.
The guy in there.
Ready? Go. Huh?
First corner.
What corner? This corner? I'm dry.
Thunder. He was right in the corner.
I know.
Okay, right in the corner there.
Mine's gas blowback though.
Aw.
No, I didn't either. Oh, I think that's Will.
Got it.
They're what?
They're rushing them.
They're rushing schoolyard. Yeah, we'll go back.
I like this. I'm not.
But we get that cone right. I can get that cone right there. We'll place it right next to it. That way we were. It's like, you know, we're.
What team are you on? At no. It's WE, licensed by Cybergun. Yeah.
Oh, cool. You like it?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's a gas hog.
Yeah, I bet.
We got more than 4, we're good.
Oh yeah, hey, the gate. I did the gate too.
Tell me when you're shooting.
Go.
Hit. Hit. Still hit. Thank you for shooting me again. Still hit. We're good. It's bulging. Yep. You want me to kick it?
Thank you.
guess I somehow missed him.
Oh my god!
I didn't see him coming.
Hey, guy in that window.
He's friendly. This is friendly right here. What? This isn't your mag, this is mine. There you go. That's a VIP.
Oh, he's a VIP?
Yeah. If he's wearing the bright vest, then he's the VIP. We got 4, we're good.
I shot him. And
Yeah, that's why.
And he shot me.
Yeah, that's why.
He to go out.
I know. Because he can't get out. If you shoot him, he's gonna shoot you. So don't shoot him. If you don't shoot him, he doesn't shoot you.
It's just weird because he's running in front of the group.
Yeah.
Running in front of people.
Hopefully he's after you. Is there an enemy out there? Do you want me to nade it? No, don't nade it? You don't want me to nade it. Okay, I won't nade it.
Just give me a reason.
I got one really good in the nut.
Now can I nade it?
I would say go for it.
Yeah, bro, there's people right over there. There's somebody on that thing right there.
Let's hope that goes off. Well, it went off. I got one on the right and we got a couple crossing on the left. And I just got hit. Hit! Oh, the spoon broke!
What happened?
The spoon broke off the nade! That sucks. Looks like I'm not gonna be using this.
You have a nade?
I have a used nade.
Just throw it. Yell nade.
Is this a friendly in this building on the left?
Yeah. In 231,
I can't read that number. Is he on the left?
no, on the left, the last building.
What?
What's up? We want to
Yeah, we're gonna push. I'm gonna throw a nade.
On the left, the last building, we have a friendly
Okay.
inside, but there is an enemy on the back of it.
Got it. Hey, we're gonna push. Is everyone ready?
Hey, there's a guy on the left right behind the barrel.
Yeah, no biggie. I'm gonna throw this. Grenade! Hey, check your gun. Check your gun. You never hit me. No, check your gun. Oh, my bad.
What happened?
Some guy banged me. Or at least I think he banged me. He kind of just stood there staring at me, so.
Yeah, someone did the same.
Keep going, push through. Excuse me. Going right. Clear. Also clear. This building is clear. Push through. Took him a while. Did you just shoot your own team? Yeah.
Thank you, dog.
Where are you getting shot at from? This way?
Yeah, straight. I think he's at the gun shop.
Hey, do you want to say screw that and we just push hard?
But there's a guy at the gun shop. He's in the window shooting at us, so I don't know. We got.
Hey, Thomas, can you suppress the gun shop? Those two windows right there?
Nah, I think he's still looking out of it. But I'm not sure who's in these buildings though. That's the thing.
I know. That's what I'm saying. I want to push up and clear these with him covering this way.
Okay, sure.
Can you cover that building with the two windows right there?
Yeah, you guys running across?
Yeah, we're gonna hook this way and go down that way. Ready? Okay, I'm on you. Go.
Watch out to your left.
I'm going left. I'm going this way. Clear. It's clear. This way's clear. Push up!
Oh my God, you're up.
I didn't bang you. You shot me.
I know,
No, you're
I feel
good.
bad.
No, stay in.
Are you
Stay in.
serious?
Yeah, because if you go out, then we don't have you on the field. You stay in. Anybody got like a knife?
Anybody got what?
Like a knife. I'm out of ammo. I have nothing.
Nope.
Hey, I have to get
You have a grenade?
Can you press?
What is this? Oh, okay. I'm gonna nade the airport. What's your name?
Trevor.
Trevor? Okay, I'll look for you. I'm nading the airport. Ready? How do you use this? What?
Yeah.
Did you see that?
What?
There was someone just standing there taking my shots. No, it's still in my hand. I pulled the pin. Yeah, I pulled the pin. You still haven't hit me. You might want to check your gun. Yeah, the grenade's right here.
Thank you, my boy.
No, thank you. I still have the pin. You should have seen how many I got. Thank you, Trevor. Oh. Hey, Trevor. Thank you.
Yeah, I know it didn't last long, but
No, you should have seen how many people I got.
It never gets old throwing these.
I naded them. I got like maybe 3 or 4, and then I shot one person with your pistol.
there was someone in
I
the
shot
airport.
the guy that shot you with the shotgun. I got him. All 3 BBs went into him.